Hello everybody. Today I will discuss about how to identify fault line in a geological map. From this map you can easily identify the fault line. First you see there is a letter like this F. F means fault, and another F is here. So the fault F is starting in this line and also right in finishing line. So this line is a fault line. This is the one thumb rule. Another thumb rule is along this line beds are disappear. Same bed suddenly disappear like that. This bed is suddenly disappear here and also appear here. So it's look like a this bed and this bed slip from left to right side. Just slip. Also like it is an upward slip and it is a downward slip. So along this line, this bed upward and downward slip indicate that this line is a fault line. Also, you may understand if you study the symbol. This symbol, you see this symbol find here. This symbol and this symbol are same. This symbol same. So it's look like it's a downward slip. It's just slip downward, and also it's look like it's upward slip. So these three rules indicate this line is a fault line. Okay, one question I think come in your mind that why this line is not fault line. This bit also disappear here, also disappear here. So it's also like a fault, but this is unconformity line. I think you all of you know what is the unconformity line. Unconformity line, this is the bearing line. Unconformity line is a line of non-erosion and deposition line along which the lower bedding line by lower beds are suddenly disappear, and this is the one bedding line, this is the another bedding line, this is the another bedding line. So these three beds cover up the lower portion, that is the ordovicial. So this line is the unconformity line. If you detail know about what is unconformity line, how you draw unconformity line, then you may go to my previous lecture where I have already told what is unconformity line. So I think it's clear to you what is the fault line and what is the unconformity line. Along the fault line, beds are appear somewhere. Just it's look like slip, but along the unconformity line, beds disappear and it's not appear over that region. This bedding line, this bed and this bedding line, all three beds are deposited over this lower bedding, all the lower bedding line, all the lower beds. So this line is an unconformity line and this line is a fault line. Also F indicate definitely it is a fault line. Okay, now you see here this is another fault line. Here you see F and another F. So this indicates this fault line, and also if you study the bedding line, this bedding line disappear here and appear here. So it's a fault line. Now see here, this is a line and this is another line. Here F and here also F. F means fault, and you easily find out this line disappear, suddenly disappear and appear here. It's look like a slip. Some slips you easily identified with your naked eye, and also these beds disappear here. So this line is a fault line, and also another fault line is here. You may find with the help of the letter of F and also with the help of the bedding line or beds disappearing nature. This bedding line disappear here, suddenly disappear and appear somewhere the other area, left side or right side. Okay, if any bed disappear in left side, it must be appear in right side in another along this line in any portion. Okay, this line is just disappear here, it is a left side, and appear here in right side. Okay, this portion is just slip or fault. So this line is a fault line. Also, if you see this map, no written about the F. Okay, here is F. But it is a bedding name of the beds. But this line indicates a fault line because these beds suddenly disappear here, but it appear here. Okay, then this bed also disappear here and appear here. So you can easily understand with your just eye or your naked view or your eye view that there is a slip, and also it go through this bedding line. Also, you find this bed is appear here and appear here. So this line is a fault line. These are all the straight fault line, but sometimes you may find a curved line also, but it is also straight fault line. Straight line is a straight line. You see here, this bed is disappear here and appear here, so this line is a fault line. Okay. From this previous, all the maps are straight line, straight fault line. But you see here, the F, and this is the F. This F like a curved line. Okay, this is F is curved line, and beds are disappear here, and it is a right side, it is a left side, appear here, disappear here and appear here. So this fault line is a fault line, but it's look like a curve. So it's when we draw in a geological section, it may be oblique or angle. In next video, I can analyze how you plot the fault line, curved line, oblique line, straight line. But just in this video, you just I have to try to understand. I try to present how you identify the fault line. Okay, see, this is another fault line, F, straight deep black line. Okay, you see this bed suddenly disappear here in left side. This is the left portion of fault and appear here in right portion. Okay, so it is also fault line. See here, this is an interesting map, very interesting map. You see one line, this bed suddenly disappear here and appear here. You see this bed like same bedding line, but it is not same because this symbol or this symbol are different. In left side, this symbol and this symbol does not match. So definitely this bed and this bed are same. This and this bed and this bed is same. So in left side it disappears suddenly here and appear here. So this line is a fault line. Also you see this is another black line. You see this bed suddenly disappear and appear here. So this will also disappear here, appear here. So it's easily you find out the slip of beds along this line. So it is a fault line. You see this is another line. This is also fault line. This bed suddenly disappear here and appear here. So this line is also fault line. Okay. Where is the fault line? You see here. This line is a fault line, F. But no disappear portion of any bed you find here. With the help of this F, starting line and finishing point F line, region is F. So it is a fault line. In the drawing section, you may identify how this fault line may place. You see, this is the F and this is F. This line is a fault line. You see here this black dotted pipe displays here. Okay, displays here. Also this bit also displays here and appear here. So it is a fault line. Now see, it is a very interesting thing. This line this line join here, and like this is the same bed, but it is not same bed because the symbol brick, like brick symbol, is not appear here, and this is the symbol, three dotted symbol and three dotted symbol are same. So this line and this line is definitely a same line. Okay, so this line suddenly disappear here and appear here. Okay, so this line from this point to this point is a fault line. Okay, now you move to forward. See F. F indicates the fault line. This straight line go through this and finish here, and also another F. So this line is fault line. Also, with the help of this bit disappearing condition, to help to identify the fault line. Also, if you study this map, F and F, so this is a fault line. Also displacement. Look, this is the displacement area. And also F and F indicate fault line. This is the displacement of bed, displacement of bed, displacement of bed. Along this line, all the beds are displaced. So this is a fault line. Now you see here, this fault line is like a curve. It's a curved fault line. It is an oblique fault line. This bed dislocates. Just you see here, this bed will slip from left side and right side, up and down. Cutting portion you see here displace all the beds along this line. So it is a fault line. Also you see here F and F also displace, these beds dislocate or displace. So this line is a fault line. Also you see here F fault line, you along this line bed are displaced. This bed suddenly disappear here and find out here. So this line is also called fault line. Okay, and also if you study this way, this line, this is a fault line, but not any written F, any found F later, but with the help of the displacement of this bed and this bed, with the help of this displacement you can say this line is a fault line. Okay, now move forward. See this line, along this line bed suddenly disappear and displacement. You see here this bed suddenly disappear and appear here. So this line is a fault line. But you see this line, this is a dike. Along this line, same straight line, but beds just go through. There is a no displacement you find here, and no displacement you can identify it here. Bed are just cross this dike. So this is not fault line, but this is a fault line. Okay, you see here this line, see this line, deep black line. Bed are suddenly disappear. And displacement, you find the displacement. This bed appear here. Find the displacement. This bedding line and this bedding line same. This bedding line and this bedding line is same. This bedding line and this bedding line is same. So how you see the displacement along the line? You find the displacement. With the help of this displacement, you can easily identify the fault line. Okay. And also this is a curved fault line or oblique fault line. Here this is the same situation you just identified here. So this is a fault line. And it is a very easy to you understand. Now I think that you can all understand that how you identify the fault line. Okay. You see this is a back line where the beds are displaced. You see displacement. So with the help of this displacement you can easily identify the fault line. And also here if indicate the fault line, so you may easily understand and easily find out. This is a displacement bed, a bed, it is a displacement. displacement. With the help of this discovery, you can understand the fault line. Also, this is the fault line. Okay. Thank you.